5 Best Electric Kettle 2024. 1. COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle. The COSORI Electric Gooseneck Kettle offers precise temperature control with 5 presets to prevent burning coffee or tea leaves. It includes a 1-hour keep warm function, maintaining the temperature within plus or minus 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Crafted with food-grade 304 stainless steel, it ensures the purest taste without any plastic flavor. Ideal for pour-over coffee, the kettle features a precision spout and counterbalanced handle for steady pouring. The ready tone, indicating the preset temperature is reached, can be turned off, and the kettle comes in elegant gift boxes, making it a perfect gift for tea and coffee lovers on occasions like Mother's Day, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, or Christmas. Two. Peach Street Electric Kettle. The Peach Street Electric Kettle, with a 1.7 L capacity and 1500 W power, rapidly boils water with an illuminating blue light. Equipped with safety features like auto shutoff to prevent dry boiling, a concealed heating element to avoid toxins, and a cool touch handle for safe handling. The 360 degrees rotating base provides easy access, and the cordless design facilitates smooth pouring. The ergonomic design includes a built-in mesh filter for tea bags or fruit, a top that pops open with a button, and a wide mouth for effortless refilling and cleaning. Constructed from durable borosilicate glass and brushed stainless steel, it adds charm to the kitchen with clear, stain-free exteriors and marked measurements for precision. Three. Mueller Austria M99S. The Mueller Austria M99S 1500W electric kettle utilizes speed boil technology for quick heating, featuring a 1.8-liter capacity and a blue LED light indicator. The borosilicate glass kettle is ideal for making tea, oatmeal, hot chocolate, and more. It includes auto shut-off functionality for energy efficiency, a removable filter for easy cleaning, and can serve up to 7 cups. The cordless design allows convenient pouring, and the kettle has a heat-resistant, anti-slip grip handle. Four. Amazon Basics. The Amazon Basics electric glass and steel kettle has a 1.7-liter cordless glass carafe, rapidly heating water for various purposes like herbal tea, hot chocolate, and instant soups. The handle remains cool to the touch, ensuring safe handling. Safety features include auto shut-off and boil dry protection. Five. COSORI. The COSORI electric kettle is made of high-quality borosilicate glass and 304 stainless steel, ensuring the safety of your water. It offers time-saving efficiency, boiling water in 3 to 7 minutes. The kettle prioritizes safety with automatic shut-off and boil dry protection. It has a larger mouth for easy cleanup and is designed with a drip-free spout and scald-proof lid for convenient precision. The kettle features a contemporary design with a blue LED indicator light for stylish functionality. Above are the top best products. I will put links to these products below the video description. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest reviews and comparisons.